Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Carl's Jr. This one's going 7 miles, and it's taking me somewhat out of my zone, so great start.
You can go choose a car here, can help you. Chris?
Yep.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Total for that order was $15 and change. Not terrible. Actually, it's just okay, because I gotta drive all the way back. Got a Starbucks. This one is going 4 miles. Total for that one was $8. Got a McDonald's. This one is going 4 miles.
Hey, AC1. There you go.
Thank you. You too.
The order that...
Total for that order was $9. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. Going right back to McDonald's for this one. This is $10 going 4.5 miles.
No, I'm just gonna try it later. I'm just gonna drive it over straight.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll try it.
I'm gonna do a 20 on 3.
10 and 3, all right.
Thank you. Finally got the next order after waiting like 15 minutes. I mean, I had time to go get gas and drive around for a while. This is a Seize the Bagel going 4.5 miles. Total for that one was $6 and change. Next up is a Burgerville. This is $7 going 2 miles. Thank you. Yeah. There you are.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Have a good day. Got this right away. This is a Carl's Jr. going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $13. Next up, we've got a stacked Burgerville going 5 miles. Said meet outside. I'm outside. Where are you? Total for that stack was $9. Both of those were no tips. That's amazing. Next up is a Taco Bell. This one's $7 going 4 miles. Got this right away. It is a shop and deliver for New Seasons Market. $15 going 6 miles, 6 items. Oh, that's perfect. Thank you. No, just that. Thank you. Brother, why are you adding items? Got this right away. This is Birria PDX. I don't think I've ever been here before. It's probably like a taco truck or something, but it's $10 going 4 miles. I don't even know if this place is open. Let's find out. Well, that's annoying. Time to go home, I guess. Current time is 10:16. Current total is 84. That is terrible. What the heck? But I am waiting on 2 Uber tips, so hopefully that makes it up. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.